Hello there, and once again, welcome to our annual Christmas show. We have lots to do. We were up all last night decorating our workshop, and now we have to decorate our tree, we have to make our annual Christmas tree disc, and we're going on a horse ride, I'm told. So let's get going.
I am Darren. I'm the owner, or part owner, Whispering Springs Horse Farm. We do trail rides, lessons, and boarding, plus training.
Is it difficult to learn to ride?
No, patience, and lots of practice.
How long does it take you to learn how to ride really fast?
How long does it take you to ride real fast? It depends. It all depends on, I guess, the rider.
How about
all depends
you?
on you. Me? Probably about 2 months. Kind of had no choice.
Well, anything else you would like to tell us about Whispering Springs?
Yeah, just come out, enjoy it. It's beautiful. We're working on trails. Hopefully we'll have more trails this spring. Come out and just have lessons are fantastic here. We kind of go at your own speed. We have a lot of fun here.
Well, thank you so much for your time. It was a fun ride.
Thank you guys very much. It was a pleasure. And Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas to you.
Well, that was a fun horse ride. Now, as most of you know, it's a Christmas tradition of ours to make a Christmas tree ornament from last year's Christmas tree. Now, here is the one we did last year from our 2019 tree. And you can see here the design. You may recognize it if you saw that show. Now we have to come up with a theme for this year's tree. We haven't yet. So what I thought we'd do is we'd burn in the date and get that done first. So here we go.
Hey everybody, I am secretly recording this because Ken is out of the house today. I am headed to our local blacksmith to see if I can make something that we can use for our Christmas ornament. It's a week before Christmas and we have no idea what we're going to do with it yet. So I thought I would try this. I've got my glasses, more glasses, I've got an apron, so wish me luck.
Pull back harder, raise it up, there you go.
No.
Take it up to the flat.
Okay, here?
Yep. Now You're not
Okay,
pulling
so
back
it's
and you hit it,
tight.
it'll go like that. Yeah.
Right.
It'll pull down, pull back, so it'll go down to the horn.
Okay.
Drop your left arm, let it keep coming around. Coming. Now flip it over the other way. Same thing. Okay, now look at it. You should have a pretty even curve.
Except for this.
Okay. Give one light hit right there. Let's see. I'll go down. Used to get it from what used to be Burnville fuel, but it keeps changing ownership. It became logistic pain in the butt.
Wow.
You see my
Okay,
friend?
so where are we?
We're at Fisher Forge in Hamburg, PA. I'm Dave Fisher. Been having an enjoyable morning here. Just say Merry Christmas to everybody and hope you have a happy holiday season.
Thank you. Merry Christmas to you.
Well, that was a surprise. Jonine to the rescue, a horseshoe brand. She paid a visit to a local blacksmith who invited her for an introductory lesson on forging iron in his workshop, and this is what they came up with. Let's have a look at this. That is a dragon head that he made. And let's look at the other end here. This is the part that Jonine worked on. That's the horseshoe part. And I think we found a theme for this year's disc.
No.
You had it up?
Yep. Yes. Because this block is this block is the thing that stays hot, and I'll still keep feeding with this one. Yep. Good. Great. Huh?
And we made it. This is Christmas Eve, and we got it done in the nick of time. Here is our disc for 2020, and here is the other side with our branding iron work done. It's quite an amazing piece of work, wouldn't you say? Anyway, it's time to say thank you very much. Have a very, very Merry Christmas.
And a Happy
see
New Year.
you next year.